What's up, guys? Welcome to Introduction to Linux Bash Scripting. As always, I am your instructor, Kevin Downs. Today, we're on session 6 of Introduction to Linux Bash Scripting. We're going to be going over networking commands. On our last course, we went over editing a file from a script, scripting with /sed, Unix and Linux utilities to manipulate files, regular expressions, grep and egrep, the stream editor sed, sorting in scripts, generating reports with awk, splitting large files, counting words, lines, and characters, transforming file contents, and extracting text strings. Today, we're going to be going over Unix network applications, remote execution commands, remote activity reporting, communicating with remote users, internet applications such as FTP, TFTP, and telnet, remote access control mechanisms, and using the secure shell, also known as SSH. We're going to go ahead and start with Unix network applications. And we're going to talk about remote execution commands. So RSH, rlogin, and telnet. The rlogin and RSH commands for remote login and remote execution of commands are inherited from Unix. While some of them used because they are blatantly insecure, and this is so true, guys, these are not really used anymore, and if they are, I highly recommend that whether you're working with a client or your own setup, that you immediately find a better way to do your logging in, which is, in this case, can be SSH. SSH is really the new modern way to do it, which is secure shell. So just be aware that these methods are insecure, okay? So they still come with almost every Linux distribution for backward compatibility with Unix programs, okay? So these are backwards compatible to Unix programs. Telnet, on the other hand, is still commonly used, so Telnet's still commonly used, and it's often by system and network administrators. Telnet is one of the most powerful tools for remote access to files and remote administration, allowing connections from anywhere on the internet. Combined with an X server, remote graphical applications can be displayed locally. There is no difference between working on a local machine and using the remote machine. Okay, and guys, in this case, X server just means any server. You can combine it with a server to get it set up, okay?